Look at this series of numbers 100, 200, 300 and 400. Can you predict the fifth number? Yes, it is 500. Let's see another number series 4, 8, 16 and 32. Can you predict the next number? It is 64. Okay, let's take another series 4, 9, 11, 12 and 18. Can you tell me what is the next number? You cannot tell because these bunch of numbers look like some random numbers without obeying any rule. In first two examples, the numbers followed certain patterns or a certain rule. In first example, each number was obtained by adding 100 to preceding number. In second example, the number in series was twice the multiple of previous number. For example, 8 is multiple of 4 and 2, 16 is multiple of 8 and 2. Hence, you can easily guess the number after 32. It is 64, which is multiple of 32 and 2. But in the last example, the numbers didn't follow any rule or a pattern. Hence, it is very difficult to tell what comes next. An orderly arrangement of numbers according to a certain rule is called as sequence. And each number in a sequence is called as term of the sequence. In the sequence 4, 8, 16 and 32, first term is 4, second term is 8, third term is 16, fourth term is 32. In a sequence, each term is denoted by a symbol. For example, first term is denoted by T1, second term T2, third term T3. Similarly, nth term Tn. If the terms of the sequence are finite in nature, then the sequence is called as finite sequence. For example, roll numbers of 50 students of class 10. Here, number of terms, that is, number of students or n is finite, which is 50. Hence, this is called as finite sequence. And these types of finite sequences are represented as T1, T2, T3, so on up to Tn. If the terms of the sequence are infinite in nature, then such sequence is called as infinite sequence. For example, sequence of odd numbers. This is an infinite sequence. Here the number of terms is infinite. You can keep on writing and this list will never end. And such sequences where the number of terms of the sequence is infinite, then such a sequence is called as infinite sequence. And such a sequence is symbolically represented as T1, T2, T3, T4, so on.